am Sidungiman. Today I am going to talking about how to find a job in New Zealand for the international students, and also how much money you can gather, how much money you can earn from New Zealand once you come back to the New Zealand. Yeah. Before go to the video, if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and also you can click the ring icon as well. So okay, number one is once you come back to the New Zealand, I think you come for the education. I think I'm mostly targeting this video for the international students. So during your PDP program, personal development program, during this program, this college universities provide you guys to how to create a CV. Number one is CV, because most of the establishment require the CV, they need the CV. So during your PDP program, they provide how to create the CV in appropriate way, because you have to follow that format. uh, there is a particular format in this CV, so you have to create a good and better CV for applying the job. That's very important thing, CV. Yes, because they can identify what are the skills, what is your weakness, what you interesting, and also what kind of experience you have by looking your CV. For when you applying for the job, you can send your CV through online, and also you can hand over your CV uh, CV to the establishment. So yeah, the CV is very important thing. And also number two is there are a lot of mobile applications. So we living in 21st century, so this is developed, so you guys need to be know about those things, because there are a lot of mobile application in New Zealand in about job. So you can very easily you can find a job if you consider about those mobile application. Number one is Sweep.com, and number two is Indeed, and also Recruit Me, and also pick NZ. In like a lot of application there are. So if you go through those application, if you check those application, you can definitely find a very good job, because they always used to update what kind of jobs available. So you guys check, you guys can check what kind of experience you guys have. By looking your experience, you can definitely apply for the each particular job. So what I did when I come to the New Zealand, what I did before applying for before get a job, I definitely used to check those application, and I thereafter I apply for the jobs. So yeah, that's the second thing you have to do. And also number three is very important, you guys need to know before applying for a job. You need to work in volunteering work. Volunteering work is very important in New Zealand, not like in your country, because if you work at least 2 to 3 months volunteering, like related job, definitely it will be help you. It will help you in three ways. Number one is you can improve your communication skill. That's very important thing, because most of the students come from Asia, come from America, and come from different kind of countries, but still their English is not too good. So definitely when they straight apply for the uh, industry without proper English, they will be not hire you because of the issues. But if you're doing volunteering job, if you're doing volunteering, you can improve your English definitely. So that's very important thing when you're doing volunteering. Number two is you can gather some friends. Make friends is very important in New Zealand, because you can refer them when you're applying for the job. You can refer those friends as references. So that's the number two, that's very important. Make a friends. Number three is the most important thing. It is experience is very important. So when you're working in industry, volunteering, you can get the experience. So when you go to the industry, you can use those experience what you gain in volunteering program. So that's very important doing volunteering. I recommend, but make a CV. That's very important things. Definitely, PDP program they will help you to how to create a CV, or also you can Google it and research how to create a CV in New Zealand format. They you can get the format according to those format. You can create a good CV, and also CV. And number two, like applications. Uh, Try to use. I will put in my description how what are the applications available in New Zealand for find a job. Um, if you follow those 3 points, definitely you can find a very good job. And also, especially if you come to New Zealand, try to choose Auckland, Wellington. Also, there are a lot of job opportunities. If you focus in jobs, there are a lot of plenty of job opportunities you can find in Auckland, because this is very developed, a lot of hotels, a lot of cafes and restaurants, many more things available in here. So it's up to you. You can, if you focus in money, if you focus in jobs, come to Auckland. I'm recommend. So yeah, if you find a job, try to find a related job. That's very important, because if you studying hospitality, try to find a waitering or due to waitering or something just like related job in what hotel provided, like housekeeping kind of things. So that's very important for further. Yeah, so I hope you will enjoy this video. So if you have any question, issues and any doubt, you can ask from me. You definitely am free to ask anything. So you can comment in my comment box, and also you can email me anything, any issues, any what are the things you need to ask from me. So I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you very much.